Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to quickly and easily find your Mac model. Whether you're trying to upgrade your RAM, install new software, or just curious about what you've got, knowing your Mac model is essential. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. In this video, we'll cover 3 simple methods to identify your Mac model. 1. Using the About This Mac window asterisk, this is the quickest and easiest way to find basic information, including your model name and year. 2. Using the System Information app asterisk, this method provides even more detailed specifications about your Mac. 3. Checking the exterior of your Mac asterisk. In some cases, the model information is physically printed on the device itself.
Let's get started.
Transition to screen recording of a Mac. Okay. First up, the About This Mac window. This is the easiest method. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select About This Mac. Highlight the Apple logo and About This Mac option.
A window will pop up.
Right here, you'll see your Mac model name and the year it was released. For example, you might see something like MacBook Pro, 13-inch, M1, 2020. You'll also see the operating system version you are running. It's simple as that. Transition to screen recording of a Mac. Next, we have the System Information app. This is for when you need more details. Click the Apple logo again, select About This Mac, but this time, click on System Report. Highlight the Apple logo, About This Mac option, and System Report button. A new window, called System Information, will open. In the left sidebar, make sure Hardware is selected. Highlight Hardware in the sidebar. On the right side, you'll find detailed information about your Mac, including the model identifier and machine model. The model identifier is particularly useful when looking for compatible parts or software online. For example, you might see something like MacBook Pro 16-1.
Astérisque astérisque Iglite, modèle identifié, and machine model, astérisque astérisque.
The System Information app gives you a lot more info beyond the model too, so feel free to poke around and explore. Transition to a shot of different Mac models. Finally, checking the exterior of your Mac. This isn't always possible, especially with newer models, but sometimes the model information is printed on the bottom of your MacBook, or on the side or back of your iMac or Mac Mini. Flip your MacBook over and look for small text. You might find the model number there. Look for something that starts with a followed by 4 numbers, like A1278. You can then Google that number to find the exact model. For iMacs and Mac Minis, check the back of the device, or the bottom, for similar information.
Astérisque astérisque, transition back to the talking head, astérisque astérisque.
And that's it. 3 easy ways to find your Mac model. Knowing your Mac model is crucial for many things, so hopefully this video was helpful. If you found this useful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below which method you used and what you needed the model information for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.